Here it is in a priority mailbox. It actually arrived UPS. Wow, look what we have here. Original in the box. Circular saw from Kmart. Let's see what we got here. Okay. 9-amp motor, 5,500 RPMs, etc., etc. The Visa port to see the blade while cutting. So this was originally $22.97. I actually paid less for it now. Let's take a look in the box. This is supposed to be pretty original. Ooh. We have some original paperwork. We got an empty blade package. Look at this. This might be the original blade. We have a guide. Let's see what's in there. Actually see this. Ooh, nice. So here's the blade. Or here's the saw, actually. Very nice, very shiny. It's got some dust on it. It was used once, so we're gonna, once or twice maybe, we're gonna do a cleanup on it. But look at this. This isn't really, we got some cord damage, unfortunately. But this is in nice condition. I'm guessing that's the Visa port there. And we have some type of receipt, which I'm thinking $6.19. Yeah, that is for the blade that's on there, the Vermont American blade. That's right here. So the receipt is in the box. That's amazing. And that is, try to figure out where that's from. And that was in 1986. The blade was purchased. And here's the original cardboard that went in the bottom of the box. I tell you, I love things like this that are in their old school packaging. You can see here. So Kmart store numbers and the shipping label. So this was store 4033. It says Kmart SS Kresge Company, Northgate Shopping Center, Knoxville, Tennessee. So I wonder what's still there.
It's a good day to be at Kmart. Kmart, we've got it and we've got it good. At Kmart, we've got it and we've got it good. It's a good feeling.
Here we are, a bit closer now in all its glory, the Kmart circular saw. It's got a little scuff there. I just want to do a nice cleanup on this. I'm going to take this other blade off, and then I want to get all that sawdust off from the back side there. I don't want to open it up. I don't think that's necessary. And then I'm going to give it a good cleanup using some Brasso for aluminum. Just going to get in here with my brush, first of all. Brush some of this off. So, would like to take off this blade guard, or this fence. Here, so I can get, I don't know, what do you call this thing? Is that a fence? That's not a fence. What is that? The foot? The plate? I don't know. But I want to get this off so I can get in there better and I can remove the blade. I just have a clamp on here to hold the blade. I don't see a way to stop it from spinning. So I'll use that. I'll get this off. Out of there. Yeah, there's a lot to clean up in here, so I think the way to go with this might actually be compressed air. With all the dust blown out now, I want to just give it a wipe down and a cleaning, and that's it. I'm not taking it apart. Don't want to go inside and take all the guts apart and stuff like that and deal with possibly losing pieces or something. Just want to clean it up, make it a nice, presentable saw. Put some on the rag, and here we go. If you look, you might be able to see the spots here on this. I didn't put gloves on too. I'll tell you, using these things like Novus, when you get done, your hands start itching. And then you can see right there, look at the tarnish coming up on there. So I'm gonna go over the whole thing with the Brasso and then buff it out and see how it comes out. Here we go after the cleanup. Definitely a really nice shine to it. I'm not sure if it shows up on camera as well as it looks in person. But it's nice, it's smooth, it's clean. I cleaned up the original blade and put that on. And then took a look at the wire damage here. And unfortunately, it looks like somebody cut through the wire and spliced it. So I'm gonna see what that looks like inside, and unfortunately gonna have to change that. Looks like if we take these two screws out, we can get access to where that wire goes in. Just gotta find the right Phillips screwdriver here. This is a nice set of screwdrivers, these Cobalts. So kind of an odd shaped handle, but I picked these up. I might have talked about these before, but I like these. These are probably my favorite. Take that screw out. Take this guy out of here. I think that's what's holding. The only thing that's really holding this are these two screws. There we go. Ah, looks like it was glued in there. Japan. And there, is that the switch? That's the backside. Oh, was that glued or did that melt? I wonder. Wonder. No, that's some kind of a glue. So. Here's what we're dealing with here. These look like they're pressed in, and I'm not sure how to get those out of there. The saw works, but let's take a look. So they're like in here. So if anybody knows how those are connected in there, let me know. Put that in the comments, because I would like to change this wire. I think in the meantime, I'm just going to tape it up, but I don't know if, oh, maybe you push, I don't know if it's a push and release, but I don't want to do anything in there to break it. So maybe a screwdriver goes in there and you probably get the stake connector or something, but let me know if anybody knows. I mean, tell me in the comments, and I would like to change that, but for right now, I'm going to leave sleeping dogs lie there, because it is working. I'll just retape the wire, but there it is, all finished for now. I just have the cord taped up, so when I figure out how to replace that, I can. But the idea here was just to get rid of the sawdust, make it look almost like new. Didn't want to take it apart because I don't want to lose any parts to it. It's functioning the way it's supposed to. It looks nice. It has the original blade back on it. It's going to go back in the box. Get added to the Kmart tool collection. I have a little bit of a, not an obsession with the Kmart tools, but as I see them, I grab them. These are the newer ones, I think, the plastic ones. So we have a few of those. There's others. Some need some more cleanup and restoration, but there it is, the 7-inch saw. I'm happy with it. Let me know what you think about the wire, and let me know what you think about the cleanup in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.